nuts, apple, banana, brown rice, green leaf vegetables, seeds, orange, sweet potatoes, beans,
Hello everyone, I am URMILA Choudhary. Welcome to my channel URMILA VC. We will discussing about food a little bit. How much important is food for us? How should we eat the food for our body needs to eat so much? Humans cannot live without eating. What should eat for a healthy person? Superfood to keep eating healthy, simple and delicious. Even though all foods give you energy, some food contain nutrients that could help increase your energy level and maintain your alertness and focus throughout the day. Here is some food that have been proven to help promote energy levels: brown rice, sweet potatoes, apple, banana, oatmeals, lentils, avocados, orange seeds, beans, nuts, leaf green vegetables, beets, etc. This video is getting too long, so in the next video. Okay, till then, bye bye.